Alright, so we're on the Stratus right now, and we're replacing the starter. As you can see, we're actually already in the process of putting it back in. Now, all we're doing here is maneuvering it back straight. This is on the 16 valve. What is it, 2.7? Alright, and it's located directly under the intake. I'm gonna make sure we get it in there. Alright. Nice and good. Like that. And we got the old one right here. The battery is actually located the wheel well. Make sure you unplug that. We're mobile. Actually out here at Walmart. So for all of your car repair needs, make sure you follow us at Puro Mobile Mechanic. Our Spanish page is Puro Mecánico Mobile. Number 214-791-7037. Make sure you hit us for quotes. Be sure to get back to you ASAP.